The design of the H10 series has been very carefully crafted, and Takumi's engineers have produced some unique structural features to enhance rigidity and structural stiffness and dramatically reduce deflection issues. The two-block design provides a much stronger structure to resist torsional stresses, and the 1:10 weight ratio design allows for a much more stable machine, providing the perfect surface finish customers need. The special design of the head on the H10 uses linear guides to provide the 500mm of Z-axis travel. This allows the head to be much shorter and lighter, allowing much faster traversing and also reducing deflection issues by maintaining a constant distance from the guides to the spindle. With a unique reduced weight and enhanced rigidity design, superb surface finish, and a range of Takumi-designed operational features to provide customers with reduced setup and operational times.